Good day everyone, and wish you all a happy 44th Foundation Day. When I think about this journey, the journey of VMS since its inception in 1978, from a small building in Muthupark to where we are today in our campuses in Joka, I think it's nothing short of amazing. It's been a hell of a journey. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all our stakeholders, the teaching staff, the non-teaching staff, members of the governing body, and of course the students, the parents and the guardians for their support. The very foundation of this institution has been built on the hard work, determination and integrity of so many individuals. But as far as I'm concerned, the journey has only begun, and we have so much to achieve, so much to grow. So, it's my appeal on this Foundation Day to all of you, to all the stakeholders, to keep your faith on us, to keep supporting us, so that we are able to achieve, bigger and better things in future. And in that context, actually, I'd like to put a word or two about our Alumni Association, which is a relatively new association, but they are trying to grow, they are trying to do good things. So any ex-students who is watching this, please come and support your alumni. They are having a reunion next Saturday, and the details of which, of course, you can find in their page. So please come and support them, and of course support VMS. Thank you.
Good morning children. Today is 25th September. A very happy birthday to our very dear and near Vivekananda Mission School. Children, do you have any idea how old is Vivekananda Mission School? Today our school is completing 43 years of its wonderful journey. So aren't you feeling thrilled? We all are definitely feeling very good, isn't it so? Now children, you all belong to this school, and by now you have already have understood what is the vision, what is the mission and motto of this institution. So children, whatever you do, I understand very well that academic performance, that becomes very important for your career, for your future life. That is there. That is a part of life, but don't take academic as your whole life, because lot of other areas are there. Then those areas you will tend to neglect. What are those other areas apart from academics? Definitely your co-curricular activities, your passion. Never ever ignore or neglect your passion, what you love to do. Nurture your passion along with your studies. Now you might feel that how is it possible? Everything is possible, children, under the sky, if you have a wonderful time management. So time management, you take care, then you see that academics, your activities, what you love to do, everything you can actually accommodate it within 24 hours. First of all, time management has to be taken care, children. Now today, on the birthday of our beloved institution, I would like to say something what actually it will be helpful for you in your course of journey, because now you are in making. Now you are shaping your future. Now there, as I said, that academic can be the part, but rest part has to be taken care. And always take care of your behavior. How are you behaving with your elders, with your friends, with your juniors? Actually, behavior is our identity. At the end of the day, we all are human beings, right? So behavior always indicates what sort of personality we all are having. So children, definitely take care of your behavior and discipline. Discipline is something which will help you throughout your life. Now this is just your school life going on. Now this is the time, this is the area where actually if you think little bit deeply, you will see that your teachers, your parents, in course of their training, the training whatever you are getting from all of them, they are definitely teaching you a very good lesson on discipline, because this is something, without this you won't be able to excel neither in academics nor in any other area. So these are the things, children, you have to take care, because whenever you all came to this institution, you must be knowing about the vision of VMS. What is that? That is man making education. So I want to see every one of you as a very good human being. So whatever so far I said, these all are needed to be a good human being. And along with that, along with your academics, your activities, your behavior, your discipline, you must be having a very empathetic mind. You should feel for others. You should socialize yourself. And children, one day you will, definitely that day will come. You will start thinking not only of yourself, not only of only your parents, your grandparents, your home, your family. You have to think about the society, about your country, about the entire world at large, because you are our future generation, and lot of dependency on our part, it is there on you. So children, I know that you will not let us down. So with that expectation, let us all wish a very happy birthday to our VMS. Thank you, children.
This is Rajdeep Basu. I am from the IC 2014 batch. Well, it's that time of the year again, 25th September. So, on this auspicious occasion of the Foundation Day of Vivekananda Mission School, I personally and also officially on behalf of the VMS Alumni Association would like to extend my best wishes to the entire VMS family, our teachers, the management, students, the non-teaching staff, parents and the alumni. Happy birthday VMS! VMS has evolved so much over the years. We have not only strengthened our roots but also expanded our branches to touch newer horizons. We have had such an exciting journey. Long may it continue. VMS, hail to thee.
I'm Andy Ghosh and I'm here to share my thoughts on VMS. I consider VMS to be an ever-expanding ocean, and students are the tiny droplets of water in that ocean. VMS continues to spread its branches and create an impact on society, holding the hands of its students. The 14 years of my life which I have spent in this school would probably be the best 14 years of my entire life, which I can cherish forever. The memories of the first days in this school are still vivid in my mind. I used to cry a lot, but 14 years down the memory lane, I still feel like crying. But the reason this time is quite different. Today I want to return back to my school. I want to step into the same school buildings. 1 year more and I'm going to bid farewell to my dear VMS. But I know that VMS has now become a part of my soul through its qualities and teachings. I do not know what I am going to face in the upcoming years of my life, but I am very sure of the fact that the qualities, lessons and teachings imparted to us in this school would ensure that we stand upright through all the storms of my life. VMS is the place where I faced my first success, my first failure, my first friends, my first mischiefs, and the list goes on. It is rightly said that family is not bound by blood relations, but it includes all those who are willing to stand by you, to fight with you by your side, and VMS has been that family for me over the years. I entered the school buildings as a 4-year-old boy, and I am going to leave as an 18-year-old adult, and VMS has shaped the man out of me. Our parents taught us to walk, but VMS paved the way through which we would walk. The day is looming near when I will bid farewell to the school buildings. I consider the school buildings to be a prison where our childhood memories would be locked forever. I thus end my speech and wish my dear VMS a very happy birthday anniversary.
Namaskar. I am Anisha Shutar from class 9, section C. School serves as the first learning place for most of the people. It usually is the place where I spend most of my time, but now, as due to the current pandemic situation, I cannot step out of my house to go to the school. My school has given me a platform to do better in life and also has helped to build my personality. My school taught me life's most significant lessons which are irreplaceable. I learned from my school through my respected teachers to face each and every failure of life with strength and courage, and to never give up on my ambitions and dreams, no matter how difficult it is to achieve them. Beyond just enhancing my academic potential, it taught me things like socializing and developed my all-round skills like public speaking, art, sports, and many more. My school taught me to be disciplined and to value each and every moment of life and use that time to the fullest. I think my school to be a lighthouse of education. Our hardworking teachers have always given us a constant help and support at every stage. Right from the beginning, when I got admission in my school, my teachers have always stood by my side and have guided me through my hard times. Our open-minded, planned, and well-balanced teachers have really brought about a considerable positive change in my development. My teachers have inspired me to move ahead confidently, overcome obstacles in the way, learn to deal with frustration and stress, make informed decisions, and care about the people around me. I can never be thankful enough for what my school has done for me, and will always be indebted to my school for shaping my personality and character. My school has been like my second home, and it still is. Our teachers have been like our parents who have nurtured us deliberately with love and care. I love my school a lot, and it is very dear to my heart, and I aspire to carry on the values imbibed by my school. I feel fortunate and blessed to be a part of it. Thank you.
I am Debarko Noshkar from class 8 section E. Today is 25th September, a very special day in the history of our school. It is on this day our school was founded by our late rector sir, Shri C.G. Chandra. It's been 11 years that I've been a proud student of VMS. As a student, I feel that my school is my first identity and my second home. Still, I remember the first day of my school, a tiny tot wearing a red shirt with a red bag on my back and eyes full of curiosity. I still remember the touch of my teacher who assured me that my teachers will always be there throughout this pleasant journey of my school life. Yes, it has been really pleasant for me. What is really worth mentioning is the constant support of my teachers who have guided me at every step. At the same time, I have also gained some warm-hearted friends, which has made my journey smoother and happier. On this auspicious day, I really feel that my school makes me special and teaches us so many values. However, due to this pandemic situation, we are away from the school for almost 1.5 years. The online classes are on, but I miss the real classrooms, the sharing of the tiffins, the wooden benches, the vast school playground, the friendly tidbits, the scolding of our teachers as well as their affection. Hope we are back to this place where we have made so many wonderful memories and wish to make many more. This six-lettered word school means to us infinite love, care and happiness. Thank you.